Okay, today we got to install the Ftype. First, we will guide how to remove the original monitor. Okay, we just remove the screws which fix the original monitor. So, 你的手注意一下，稍微往下挪一点。So, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws which fix the original monitor. So we just remove it.
这个是拿去过去测试的。拆开之后注意一点，这个地方两边。
Okay, so be careful with these two sides.
然后往后退，这个皮往后退。
And be careful with it, the original, this panel. So unplug this original connector. So as you can see, the ribbon cable here means the capacitive. If the ribbon cable was here, maybe your old year car, so it's resistant. So now we have the capacitive. So now we just removed the original monitor. So we have to remove the screws and open this panel. So we just now we open the original and we like this. So these two original dashboard we have to switch in our Android mainboard. So we have to remove all these screws in this board. So then we have to remove this second small board, main board. And this is our mental share. We have to fix the original board in our mental share. This rubber you have to fix here for the overheating. Yeah, then we fix like this. Then we have to fix all the screws. Then, after we finish this, we have to connect a ribbon cable with our Android unit. And so be careful with the position. Like this, and can listen, cut, and fix it. Okay, now we fix the Android unit with the original board like this. Here is a switching cable. Okay. Connector with the left side like this, and then another side, yeah, with this here. Okay, now we have to fix the GPS. This was the 4G antenna. We fixed the inside. Then we fixed the speaker inside. Then we fixed the microphone here, so when you make phone calls, it can be listened clearly. Okay, now connect this connect.
你们接上 USB 盒，里面会有选项对吧？
Like
对，
this.
把原则选 USB。
不可能是 USB 选 CarPlay 吧？
不是。
来，你说一下。
你先找一下温工吧，我现在在忙，等一会儿。
And then connect this. Connect the power supply.
好了，看看这个，等会儿就把这线埋一下。对。
Okay, now we just connect all the connectors in our Android unit.
原车的光纤，
It's fiber optical.
然后原车的电源，4G天线。
This was our 4G antenna, network antenna. Connect like this.
GPS。
This was the GPS antenna. So we just connect all the connector like this, and as you can see,
哦，你好牛叉呀！
then we just power off and check the monitor before we fixed all the screws.
除了。
没有条线。
音乐看一下，放下音乐看一下。加热也可以试一下，对，加热看一下打盘子有用没有。雷达我走一下啊，盘子你打。好，试一下声音吧。回去选。 是声音，按皮键，
我要重新那个
P 档吗？
啊，不要，就这样试吧，没关系，已经发好。
声音我要重新记线啊！
我去，你不是刚接好了吗？
没有，都没接好。
那你啊，其他的都下上一卷，怎么不上一卷，上一卷，界面上会变化的，那个图标会变化，你看上一卷，上一卷，你看到吗？
有。
哦，可以，那行我吧，那你帮我装好。
哦，可以。
没音乐呢？
踩刹车